Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Are you organizing versus decluttering? This is a request from Jennifer, and I'm going to talk about it for you today. Okay, so organizing, that is putting like things together. Decluttering is removing the trash, the things that need to be thrown away, the things that need to be given away, and taking the things that you want to keep and then putting them away or organizing them. What I've found with a lot of my fly babies and personal mentoring is that instead of decluttering, they're organizing their clutter. They're moving their clutter from room to room. So let's say a guest is coming over and you have a guest room and you go, I've got to do something about this. Everything from the guest room goes to the office that's not supposed to be in the guest room, and the guest room looks great. And then the guests leave, you clean up the room, and at some point you go back in your office to work and it's like, my office is a mess, I can't work in here. All that stuff gets moved back to the guest room. And the shuffle continues for years and actually builds instead of decreases the clutter in your home. Because anytime there's something that you don't know what to do with, guess where it goes? The guest room, that's right. So what you want to do is really declutter. Stop organizing clutter. We're going to go in this room and we're going to set a clock. And we're not going to do it because somebody's coming. We're going to do it because now's the day, now's the time to work on this room. And a guest room and an office would be zone 3. So that week, you're going to go in the bathroom, the main bathroom, one day and do one deep clean thing. Hopefully your bathroom is decluttered at this point. And then the next 3 days, you're going to work for 45 minutes total in this room decluttering. You can do a lot in 15 minutes. You know, I haven't decluttered in a long time because I don't have clutter, or I didn't think I did. Now I'm getting ready to move and I'm taking a second look at my closets and saying, you know, I don't have anything to throw away, but I definitely have some things I could be giving away. And set the timer for 15 minutes, and I had the whole closet done. Loads of things taken out. I'm talking loads. Like my husband and I took 1, 2, 3 big gigantic green garbage bags full of things to Goodwill, plus some loose things. Now granted, we have some big things in there like bedspreads that we didn't want anymore, pillows, but there were a lot of clothes, shoes, purses, things that I didn't want anymore. This was my stuff. All right, so that's what I want you to do. But in 15 minutes, you can do loads of work and then you complete your project. So don't tell me you're not going to get a lot done in 15 minutes. I don't care how cluttered your room is. You can clear a space this big easily. And how many spaces this big do you have in that room? How big is that room? How many square feet is that room? So I know you can get it done, and I know you probably can get more than this much done, like the size of a box, in 15 minutes. If you're serious, if you say, you know what, haven't worn it in a year, let me look at it again. I thought I liked it. Let me look at it again. You know, no, I'm not going to use that. Let's give that away. Ooh, I really don't like these shoes. I thought I liked them. I've been saving them in the box. I look at them every year and think, I'm going to wear those this year. I might even put them on and then say, nah, and put them back in the box. Those have to go. So let's go in your room and start decluttering that room. And then you can organize. And that's once you get all the things you want to keep in that room and you figured out where you want them to go. Organizing is just putting like things together. That's all it is. So I hope that you are decluttering first and organizing second. I know your life is going to be so much brighter and sweeter when you walk into your guest room and it's beautiful. And when your guests come, you don't have to do the mad shuffle. And when you go in your office, you don't have things from the guest room in your office. That's just an example. I know that you can come up with one of your own. Have a beautiful day. Get to decluttering. Let's get it done. And always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.